What's going on, everybody? Mountain Rides here, bringing you another video. And in today's video, we're about to go meet up with some homies, with some little Sanchas. Yeah, we're about to go meet up with them at the gas station all over again. We're gonna go have a nice New Year's Day ride. Happy New Year's. You guys are probably watching this like second week of January, but hey, Happy New Year's, everybody. Hope you guys had a good one. Hope you guys drank a lot, smoked a lot, got it in a lot. You dig? Nah, but real talk, hope you guys had a good one. Hope you guys were safe and all the good shenanigans. But yeah, we're about to go meet up with these fools and see what we do. Alright guys, we're out of the gas station. About to go do a little couple runs with the homies. Let them catch up. Let them catch up real quick.
Challenge accepted.
Be a good starter bike, and this is gonna vary from person to person and shit. Yeah, I just got smoked, by the way, but it's gonna vary from person to person. But if you're like a bigger guy, I'm saying probably like 6 feet, or hey, good shit, like 6 feet or fucking, you know, like 200 plus. And you're thinking of starting on a 600, oh, he meant at this light. My bad, I'm cutting off in between questions. Getting a couple runs in with the homie. All right, I see you. It's okay, it's okay. About to pull up right here, take some pictures. A good starter bike would all depend on your size, your weight. That's what I think, and your mental, like how fast you can learn. So let's say you're like a 5-something guy weighing, you know, pretty light, and I see that you're a fast learner. I would say start on a 600. If you're a fast learner just in general, start on a 600. You'll pick it up a lot quicker and you won't outgrow it as fast as getting like a 250 or a 300. But if you're like a bigger dude, you don't really consider yourself that fast of a learner, but you're like a big dude like me, I would say, you know, get a 600, start off slow, don't take it too fast and shit. And eventually you'll start picking it up a little faster and faster. And once later, you're gonna realize it's like second hand to you, and you're not gonna really worry about riding anymore. But yeah, it all depends. These are like the top keys to look for when buying a bike about yourself: your weight, the size, like height wise, and how fast you can learn. But yeah, let me introduce you guys to the little squad. I got my brother-in-law Alex on the 2007 Gixxer 600. And then we got my boy George on the Gixxer 600 2001. We got my boy Andrew on a 2004, 2003 Honda CBR 600 RR. Then we got the homie Mario leaving tomorrow to the Marines. You know, it's the last time riding with him in a couple months probably. He's on the Ninja 650R, he said. I really don't know what year it is. It's like a Street Fighter look. I would give him this. It's a fucking sick ass motorcycle. It looks badass. Yeah, this is a little squad that we're riding with. But right now we're all gonna roll up to the collection. Fuck around again. That's like the spot to go to, the collection. Like, I don't know. That's where we always go. That's what it looks like. This is something that I do want to talk about. Like, if you see a motorcycle and you're riding one, obviously, do you say what's up to them? Because I do, and I get pretty butthurt when they don't say what's up back. I mean, I get it if they're not, if they don't like see me, but still, like, come on, I know you're aware of your fucking surroundings because you're riding a fucking motorcycle. So I'm pretty sure you saw me say what's up to you, and you don't say what's up. Like, I don't know, dude. I don't know. I find that kind of, especially, I don't have anything against Harleys or anything, but some Harley riders I've noticed, they don't fucking say what's up. Some of them, I've seen some that do, you know, they'll go fuck what kind of bike you're on, but some of them do not say what's up. The fuck? I was having the same problem that I used to have of the kickstand coming down a little bit, or the sensors probably malfunctioning, and it shuts the bike off when he's riding. And I know what it's like, I know what it feels like, and that shit gets fucking annoying. So
doing?
She gave you the wrong one or what? Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smack that like button. Comment down any feedback that you would want to give me. Subscribe if you're new. This is Marty Rides, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the white, so I two-tone.